I want to show you some free tools you can use to make your online videos. To edit your videos, you're going to need some video editing software. If you're just making a really basic video, you can use the free Windows Movie Maker software or the Apple iMovie software that's already installed in your computer. The next thing you want to do is to get some royalty-free music. Unfortunately, you can't use your favourite pop music clip in your videos, unless you want to pay them a lot of money in copyright. What you want to do is you go to a site like Jamendo.com, which has royalty-free music. You can download it and use on your clips for free. Now, if you're camera shy and you want to create a video using PowerPoint screenshots, there's some free software that you can use called Jing. You can download it and use it off the web. What Jing does is that it records exactly what's on your screen and it also records your voice at the same time. So you can make a nice Microsoft PowerPoint or Apple Keynote presentation, play it on your computer, speak the same time the PowerPoint's going, and Jing makes it into a movie file. It's great. So Jing is for free. The only limitation is that there's a 5-minute limit on the length of your video. If you want to make longer videos or you want to make more advanced editing features on your videos, then look at getting a copy of Camtasia for the PC or ScreenFlow for a Mac.